Welcome to part 5 of our Introduction to Dynamics series. The ability to filter data as you need is a critical skill in daily use. In this video, we'll go from a simple single record find to complex, multi-level queries. And as always, I'll share a few hints and tips as we go. In this introduction, we'll start with the most common use cases for filtering data. If you want to get into this topic at a deeper level, we have a more advanced video series dedicated to filtering and query syntax, so check that out. Let's focus on list pages for this introduction. I'll use the customer list page. First, we have the basic filter box. This allows you to filter on any of the fields shown in the list. As you start to type, you'll see the list, and the option to select which field you want to search. For example, I can search for a particular account number, which returns just one unique record. Or, I can search for a value that is assigned to multiple records, such as group 10. But what if I want to filter more than one field? One way to do this is using the filter boxes on the header of each column. This feature also provides logic options to help with your filter. These are particularly useful on text searches. For example, let's search for all customers containing the word retail. I select the option, Contains, and then type my text. The list is filtered accordingly. Text searches are not case-sensitive. Now, I can add another filter, such as only showing group 30. I select the logic choice, is exactly. Then add my filter. Note that the fields that are now filtered have a funnel icon added to the header. If you frequently perform the same search, let's say you frequently look for just group 30 customers, then you can save this view for future use. Let's reset the filter for group 30. Notice that the My View title has an asterisk. Click the drop-down menu and you will see the ability to save this filter. This will open a window to the right where you can name and save your value. Now, from our home page, let's simulate that workflow. Access all customers. Instead of setting the filter, simply select the required view from the list. You can save multiple filters with different views in this way. For our next example, what if I want to filter on a customer field that is not shown on the list? For example, their delivery terms. To solve this, we use the filter function in the right menu. Accessing this allows us to add additional filter fields, not shown on the list page. Click the add icon and search or scroll to find the field you need. Delivery terms in this case. Select it, and update. You can now set your chosen logic and filter value, before applying. The window will refresh, to list the customers matching your filter. There is just one customer with CFR terms. Again, you can save this as a view if required. So in summary, for one field search you can quickly use the header filter view. To use the variable logic such as contains, or starts with, or to search multiple fields in the list, use the header search facility on each column. To search fields not shown in the list page, use the filter pane to add them. Save your commonly used filters for fast results next time. That's all for this introduction. Don't forget we have a more advanced filtering series on the channel too. Next in this introductory series, we'll be looking at sorting your data, which you can link to here.